All right, y'all, so here we go with another Let's Go TV production. So February the 2nd, 2023. As y'all know, we got that snowstorm out here, but it's raining like cats and dogs. So pretty much all the snow that was on the ground in the street has melted, except for on the sides, on the curbs, on the roofs, stuff like that is still up there. But the streets are definitely safe. It's just like a normal rainy day. But yeah, the roof, the car roofs, stuff like that, windshield wipers, all that stuff, yeah, that's gonna be frozen on your car, unless you had got a good glimpse of the rain. Now we're 32 degrees, so if it gets any colder, oh yeah, you out of there. So you got to be careful of the telephone poles. Don't drive on the inside lanes due to the fact that, man, these things be falling down. You just seen that light that had just went off, but like the ice that's on there, it just falls right down onto the ground, onto the street. So I would hate for you to be driving by and then blam, cluck out for the ice. Ice, baby. Copyright not prohibited. So I don't know if there's power or not, but these street lights right here, they just all went off. I wasn't recording it, unfortunately, because I was trying to not just waste all this time on here. But there you go. Worst part is, if it gets any colder, such as 28, 25 degrees or anything below freezing, yeah, all this stuff right here can definitely freeze over. But since it's 33, it's not even that cold though, honestly. I know it's saying 33, but it doesn't feel like 33. But you know, here goes all your snow, stuff like that. So this is the aftermath, as you already seen when we went drifting and stuff like that. You can't drift no more because you got too much grip. But yeah, so let's get it. Let's go. Aftermath. Yes, 319. So that means it's gonna be 385. Let's get it. Let's go.